It's Nate, and today is November 15, 2015, and he is learning how to ride a bike. Again. Alright, ready? Get set.
Whoa.
I got you. Go! It's okay. Almost got it. I got you. Yeah, and then we're gonna go from there to here. Come on. Go.
Can you hold me?
Oh.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, go. Don't hit the car now. Oops. There you go. Alright, let's go all the way there. That's okay. Alright, from there, go all the way there. There he is. You see how far did you get? Whoa. You're okay. You okay? Let me see. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Okay, you're fine. Nobody's looking. Yeah. No, one more and then we can go. Come on.
Okay.
Ready? One more going to that car. Truck. Ready?
Yeah.
Right. Balance, balance, balance.
You didn't pause.
I didn't. You did it earlier though. You gotta have to concentrate. See? You're doing it. Woohoo!
Did I do it?
Yeah.